Greetings. In this video, we are going to learn how to relate existing tables. So the scenario is the following. We have a project contact module that will allow us to have on the contact itself all the roles in all projects. So for example, this person is a manager on this project and it's a designer on this project. And as well, if you go to the project, you will see also a tab that says this person is a designer. This person here is a designer on this project. Okay, how to do that? So for you to understand, we have the REST partner table. That's a table that already exists, and also project table. It's an existing table. So what I created was a project role table. This project role will be related with REST partner. So in REST partner, we're going to create a role IDs, and it's a many to one because we have many partners and we'll have one role here. Just let me check. No, one to many, sorry. Let me correct this. It's really one to many. Okay, so yeah, this way is correct. So we have one person and many roles, and inside each project we also have many roles. The ID field, it's a mandatory field and it's generated by the ORM. The name field, it's really not mandatory, of course, like rec ID. We can change the name, but always a record has to have a name. So let's say yes, ID and name are mandatory fields, so we have to use them. This is the way we do it. So I created a new module, and this is the role IDs in the REST partner and the role IDs in the project. And now this is a one-to-many relating with project role and project ID as the foreign key. So as you see here, we have a new module we had to create. This new module is called project role, and it links to partner to project ID, and the name will be used in the label as a role. Okay. So of course on the view side, we are only going to show in the project side, we are going to make project invisible and show name and partner. And on the partner form, we're going to show uh, just the project and make partner ID invisible. And yeah, so that's just it that we did. And now as you go here and let's say for office design, I will say again, we have a manager and the manager is Addison Olson. Okay, the problem here is that we will not be able to have the same person doing two roles on each project. So if I try to say here we have Brandon Freeman, well, sorry, it allows because this table has many roles. So we can have many roles even though the relationship is one-to-one. Let's see how that looks on Brandon's side. So yeah, Brandon is on the office design. He has two roles. So if you refresh here, exactly, it works fine. Exactly, because it's not a one to many between. This would be a restriction if we had a one to many between partner and project, or for example. But since we have this table, it can have one to many roles. So this way it means we can repeat, and the person can have several roles in the same project. And that's all for now. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.